Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix music fail to play track error in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear music cache. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search music app. Now click on music app, scroll down, click on storage add cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, music app will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, install power ramp. Open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on search bar, search power ramp. Now click on power app and click on install. After click on install, wait few seconds. After complete installation, click on open and click on allow. Again click on allow and wait few seconds. Click on save and scan. Click on OK. This is how you can fix music fail to play track error in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.